Ayush, that's a rabbit on your head. So,
That's my rabbit hat.
okay. Oh my God. So, Ayush, why should people adopt rabbits? Can you tell us?
Fluffy.
Fluffy. And you got a haircut, right? Nana took you for a haircut.
Yes, true.
That's true. But Ayush, be careful with that rabbit. Poor thing. I'm worried for the rabbit more than for you. Because I don't care. Ayush, you please care.
It's very massaging.
It's very massage. Ayush, be careful.
Jump.
He jumped, yeah. It's a slide. Correct. There's already a 30-second video, but Ayush, you would want to say something? Why should people keep rabbits? Ayush, tell us, no?
Especially males are very cute.
Abba, especially males are very cute. Okay, so this is a random video. Hey, Ayush, please be careful with it. Hold it carefully, please. Okay, already it's a 1-minute video. Thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.